Hyacinths have bright colors, rich flower colors, and a pleasant fragrance. There are many varieties, including blue, pink, purple, yellow, and white. Hyacinths are also known as Dutch daffodils or five-colored daffodils. They are one of the famous bulbous flowers that bloom in early spring. There are more than 2,000 varieties of hyacinths, which can be potted, grown in water, or used as cut flowers. Next, let's take a look at the planting and harvesting process of hyacinths. Planting the bulbils. Bulbils come from the small bulbs produced by the mother plant. Bulbils need to be cultivated for 3 years before they can bloom. Bulbils need to be cultivated in the nursery for 2 to 3 years. Cut off the upper leaves. Harvesting the bulbs. Separating the bulbs. The bulb of the hyacinth looks like an onion but is toxic. Therefore, it is necessary to avoid accidental ingestion. Cultivating the bulbs. Rooting takes about 3 weeks. Combining different colored hyacinths. In addition to ground planting and potting, they can also be grown in water. No soil is needed, only water. Young shoots should not be exposed to light to prevent neck rot disease. Neck rot disease refers to the condition where the hyacinth stem does not elongate and the flowers bloom in the middle. Harvesting. Cutting the roots and removing the tuber. Bundling and packaging.